Hello, so I'm gonna be showing you my fidget spinners. If you don't know what they are, they look like this. This is the one I'm gonna be showing in today's video with two more. Okay, so what I want to show you first is gonna be my silver fidget spinner. If you don't know what that one is, it's a Lambo. I will be uploading this video, so stay tuned and subscribe. So those are my fidget spinners. This is one of my fidget spinners. I'll be showing you the spin test. So yeah, and then here is my silver one. So this is how you do it. This is my fidget spinner. It doesn't spin that well, so yeah. Then onto the next one will be my golden one. This one is also a bad spinner. As you can see, the bearings can pop out. If you don't know what a bearing is, you can find them on a skateboard over by the rubber part. And then if you take it off and you use hot glue, you can make one of these. So you need 4 bearings, 1 for the middle, 3 for the rings. So this is how you do it. This is my spin test for today. It spins really well. The packaging isn't as good. So yeah, that's it for that one. And my last one will be this one. I actually got this from Chinatown, and I traded from my friend Joel. This is how well it spins. This is the spin test. It's really well. So yeah, bye.